Speaking of the updates coming in from Pakistan on the legal battle of Imran Khan, we are being told that his arrest has been challenged in the Pakistani Supreme Court by the PTI, his party. This is something that their leaders had announced. They wanted to do this, and they will, of course, take their fight right up till the Supreme Court. Brigadier Asif Raza, who's a political analyst, is also joining us. Do you believe that his arrest challenge could be met favorably by the Supreme Court? What are the arguments in favor of Imran Khan here?
Well, what has happened yesterday was bound to happen one day or the other because there were numerous charges of corruption, foreign funding, money laundering, and contempt of court pending in the courts against Imran Khan and other senior leaders of the PTI. It was because of his mass popularity and the support of the people that his arrest couldn't be made, which should have been made a month or 2 months earlier. Attempts had been made to arrest him from Zaman Park in Lahore, twice by the police, and also during his appearance in Lahore High Court and the judicial complex, Islamabad. But it was the people who were in support of him which prevented his arrest. Now, after his, poisonous speech he made a day before his arrest, which all know that he had already been blaming some ISI officers that they would be his probable assassins. He named one of the generals in this name once again and expressed his venom, I would say, or his angst against the military establishment. So that was another factor which, provoked the sitting government, to take, expedite the action. Now, this case on which he has been arrested, that is Al-Qadr interest, it is not a new case. It's an old case, which has been in the pipeline since 2019 and 20. And they say it is a cut and dried case in which money laundering and corruption was involved, and in which he and his wife was involved, and of course a few others like...
All right, Brigadier, I'm running out of time. We'll keep coming back to you for some more perspective, but it will be interesting to see how the challenge to Imran Khan's arrest is taken by the Supreme Court, where it has landed up now. There is a hearing going on in the High Court as well on the remand that the NAB wants. In the meantime, of course, Imran Khan has not been seen since he was quite roughly dragged by the Rangers and arrested. And possibly it's the manner of his arrest and not the arrest itself that has enraged a lot of his supporters. It will be interesting to see when we next hear or see of Imran Khan under such circumstances. But I thank all the guests who have joined us. Slipping into a very short break. On the other side, news and updates continue.